As BlockFi files for bankruptcy and others look poised to fall as well, here we are, asking once again, is this the end for centralized exchanges? Some big names in crypto reckon it could be. Hundreds of jobs cut, some $1 billion owed to just its biggest creditors. BlockFi's bankruptcy was seen coming by many after the collapse of FTX. But it shows the ramifications of the downfall of Sam Bankman-Fried's empire are still only starting to be felt. BlockFi had acknowledged its huge exposure to FTX in an email to customers at the start of November. Reports suggest exchanges Bitfront and AAX are suspending services as well. Bitfront says its decision wasn't related to FTX, but said it had failed to overcome some challenges. AAX Vice President Ben Caselin has just resigned, meanwhile, saying on Twitter, "The way things are handled is without empathy and overly opaque." That followed a move to suspend withdrawals by AAX 2 weeks ago. Throughout crypto, and including here at Philippines Blockchain Week, the issue of FTX is the elephant in the room. While not everyone wants to mention it by name, there are very clear worries about the true extent of its impact on the industry.
There's a risk to everything. It's why every Twitter post or LinkedIn thing about blockchain will say, not financial advice. Do your own research. Because there's risk involved in this stuff. And you have to either be comfortable with risk, with new technologies, or find somebody that is and support them.
The issues of trust and transparency remain at the heart of how this industry moves on. And the role of people like Justin's son could be key. As the founder of TronDAO, his background is in decentralized finance. He moved early after the FTX scandal broke to secure the transfer of Tron-related tokens for users. He's also still looking to secure FTX assets as part of the bankruptcy proceedings.
Right now, we are still keep active dialogue with FTX team and the Alameda team, see how we can purchase assets from FTX and further to help the industry and resolve this problem.
But Sun's role isn't as transparent as many would like. Increasingly, the public face of Chinese crypto exchange Huobi, some have questioned whether Sun is now the owner as well. He denied having a controlling stake in the company, but did acknowledge that the key commodity in crypto right now is trust.
That's why I think centralized exchange needs to try best to adopt the transparent way as basically the same as decentralized finance to win back the trust of customer.
For some, the question of centralization might be the defining one in crypto right now. Centralized exchanges have been moving towards things like proof of reserves, but not everyone's convinced. And for those like 1inch co-founder Sergey Kuntz, this is where DeFi comes in.
They show me a number, I cannot verify it. And who says that maybe, of course you can have maybe 1 million on an exchange, but maybe the exchange owns someone 9 million of dollars, like if it happens with FTX. So from our point of view, in the future, there's no way to escape DeFi for all centralized exchanges. We need to change the technology.
As we've mentioned in previous episodes, this is a key reason why greater numbers of people are moving towards self-custody and hard wallets. While that should be an opportunity for DeFi, it still faces big challenges.
It's an issue, again, because of people who are not investing enough energy, enough money into the security itself. So we have seen bridges were hacked and other projects. Also, taxes, yeah, but the problem is they didn't invest enough time for security.
In the wake of FTX, there are big worries about how regulators could stifle DeFi, but the future, to Justin and to Sergey, is clear.
I think eventually it will be DeFi.
When you move people and let program execute transactions, creating leverage position, closing positions, and it's implemented in this decentralized manner, you can achieve the next evolution of finance and financial system.
One potential quandary, though, 2 letters: CZ.
Of blockchain technology, which is distributed ledger technology. The point of it is to stop centralized power. It's to stop celebrity. It's to stop the rock star mentality. It's to stop this thing where we elevate people. Because we are all equals. I have so much honor and respect for so many guys.
I think CZ deserves like all the basically all the you will see like power or authorization he has today. Definitely, I think I'm also a big believer for decentralization. I think in terms of like infrastructure support and the services provider, if you really want to win the customer trust, to serve the customer, you really need to deliver the better product, right? To for the whole industry, because like everyone will try out like all the product and make their decision on which one they're gonna use.
The conversations that are being had here in the Philippines and throughout crypto right now are possibly some of the most important it's ever had. To find out what's going on and why, like and subscribe videos like this and share this content with others like it, and let us know your thoughts too in the comments and on social media.